Hey guys, I am back with the final release for UberChic Beauty's fall release grand event. And as I am opening up this one, I'm going to say, starting tomorrow, I believe, is this the 30th? It's either the 30th or the 31st. Let me double check. That you can get 20% off of all of these items that have been being revealed throughout the week on the app if you buy through the app. 15% if you buy through the site if for whatever reason the app does not work for you. But hey, why not get that 5% if you can when the app is for free? So let's take a look here, and I know what I want this to be. I want this to be a Halloween plate, and if it's not some version of Halloween plate, I'm going to be deeply sad. And yes! Yes, 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 yes. It's a Halloween plate. All right, let me take off the wrapping. I'll be right back. All right, let's do a quick little look here at all of the stuff, and then I will go back and make a couple of comments. Trying to make sure that I'm getting this in focus here. All right, oh my gosh. Okay, so lots of things to love here. I love the alien type of skulls. I always love it, a nice little twist on skulls. Now, I Put a Spell on You. Whenever I hear that, it makes me think of Hocus Pocus, which is one of my favorite movies of all time. And I think if you love Halloween and you love Halloween movies, it's one of your favorite movies of all time. And I've noticed that the Sanderson sisters and Binksy have gotten a really big like resurgence, and they're all in the Halloween stores and you can buy stuff about it, and I love it. So the idea that like I could do witches hats and bats and Put a Spell on You, I love that. I think that's super cute. I love this with like the skulls and the pumpkins and the skull and crossbones in negative and positive, and a spider web, but a different kind of spider web, so you can get different effects, and you can mix and match with all of the other spider webs that she has. Let me get rid of that light there a little bit. I love this. It's like kind of like the Scream face, but not quite, but very spooky, and then kind of like a do-it-your-own self layering cat face to put over everything in this cute little, oh my god, it's so cute. Love it. And of course, a haunted house, you have to have the haunted house, right? But here's something I have never seen before, and that is you can do a cauldron, and you can do your little bubbles. You can layer them with two different polishes, which I love. So you can do this in black and this in like toxic green or crazy purple or whatever you want to do. So that is tons of fun. A nice little full layering, or nice little full overall image, just, you know, orange on black, black on orange. You've got a quick little mani if you're needing to run out of the door but you want something festive. And then these little guys here that are like, they're like Frankensteins. They're okay, so they're the small versions of this guy here. So it's like a cross between Frankenstein and a skull, and that's just super cool. I love it. Scary, scary. This makes the easiest Halloween mani in the world if you so desire. Paint your entire nails orange, maybe with that. Oh, that's right. Here, look. The orange hollow that you got from that we released a couple days ago. Go ahead and paint it with that, then stamp this in black. Boom. Spooky mani. You've got like just one accent nail, super cute. You got your hollow that you're showing off. You got your great hollow, which doesn't show up in this muted light here very well. Super easy. Oh, cute little owl for if you want something that's a little bit more fall and maybe a little less spooky, although they're a little bit ominous. They're a little bit worried about what's going on. They're watching you. They're making sure that they know what's happening. Love, again, the misshapen skulls. You can mix and match up here with this. Love the ghosts. They're just a little bit different. I think I do have on another one of her plates one that's sort of like this, but it doesn't have wings. So I love that this is something new and different, and I can have new kinds of fun, but that it's also going to fit thematically with other things that she has on other plates. So you can mix and match, and it's like the more of her plates you get, the more possibilities that you have. And I love that she puts the attention into that. A trick or treat, very cool. A little line of webs. This would make the cutest French manicure ever. Super simple, super fast. The kind of thing where if you don't get the placement perfectly right, it's not going to matter because they're spider webs. Nobody's going to care. You're not going to be able to tell so easily. I love that. And then we got some cute Frankensteins and a cute little vampire, but then we got a little bit of a spookier Frankenstein. And this mummy right here just cracks me up and makes me super happy. And I feel like this is a zombie skull because it's about to bite you. I love this little vampire kind of deal here. It's kind of, it reminds me of like 60s cartoons. Super fun, creepy little eyes, some layering images here with your to make your jack-o'-lanterns whatever kind of shape you want. I don't think I have a wolf howling at the moon on any kind of Halloween plate, so that's kind of cool. Fun little easy pumpkin. And then you've got, of course, this that kind of matches with that. It's almost like snowflakes but with cobwebs. I love it. And then a super easy way to make, like, what I would do with this, the first thing I would want to do with this is like a gradient. You've seen this a million times on the interwebs, and if you want to redo it, this is a perfect way to redo it. So you put, you can do an orange to purple or purple to black or whatever kind of gradient, and then just stamp, well, so maybe purple to blue, and then stamp this over in black. And if you want kind of a dimensional effect, you could stamp it in gray and then stamp over it in black, and you get sort of a layered effect. So you could do it with silver and black, all kinds of fun things. Which way to the candy? Oh my gosh. And then the boobies. Now, okay, she just tricked me into saying boobies in one of my videos. That's not okay. That's not okay. Anyway, as you can tell, this is just making me super, super happy. So let me go do a couple of test looks and I will be right back. Alright, so let's take a look at the sample looks I did here with the Halloween 05 plate. I love this. I would wear this all year round. I'm not even going to lie. I just think that's super cool with the neon color there and the skulls and the crossbones and the black pumpkins. And then I just had such a blast with this cauldron stamp. Oh my, or these layering cauldron stamps. I think that comes out so cute. Let me see if I can get that. There. Is that good? Yeah, I think I think you can see that, but I just think that is so adorable. Oh my gosh. The double boil in trouble. Double boil in trouble? I don't know. You know, whatever. We all know what it is. Alright, so this one, okay, first I want you to look at that because how cute is that for a French tip? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And I love it like that, but then how cute would this be just coming off of your half moon? I think that that's super cute too. So I wanted to kind of show you all of those possibilities together. And then my very favorite that makes me want it to be Halloween right now is this one. So this is a gradient of electric pumpkin and ghouls just want to have fun, and then I stamped that haunted house over it, and I did a shadow stamp with silver, and then I painted in some yellow there for some lights on that haunted house, and I love that, and that makes me want to do a Halloween mani right now, so maybe I'm gonna go do that. Alright, so there are the 4 looks together, and don't forget that this is the final reveal, but on August 31st, all of these products that were revealed are going to be on sale. Okay, and just to recap, since she's got the sale starting tomorrow with the 20% off if you use the app, 15% on the site. I just want to recap all of the reveal goodies. These 2 gorgeous Halloween, beautiful Halloween, or for fall, that's just a gorgeous color. That's just a gorgeous color anytime, well, I love oranges anytime. So 2 beautiful hollows there that you can pick up. The plates, we've got the the pumpkin spice plate. That's what I'm going to be calling it. It's actually Hello Fall and pumpkin spice with all of these words and cool pumpkin spicy images. Then for the football lovers out there, we've got the Football is Life plate. I personally wouldn't go that far, but you know what? I know I'm going to be doing a football mani or 2, so that's awesome. Then we've got the lovely leaves that you can pick up, and let me give you a quick scan of that in case you're forgetting it. Sorry about that weird light there. And then we've got the Halloween 05, which is, what this video is about, so I'll just do a super quick look there. And there you go. So here's hoping that she does this again for the winter plates, because I would love to be back with another review for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.